y'all, this is Brittany down here at Subaru Puyallup. Just wanted to go over how to install the front-facing booster seat in the all-new 2025 Legacy. So come on, let's go ahead and take a look. So now we're on in the inside of the car. Go ahead and see it. We have our front-facing booster seat. So what we're gonna do is gonna take the seat belt and feed it through the back portion of the booster seat, as so. And then we're gonna go ahead and fasten it. This is gonna be your first tether point. Then we're gonna go in the back and take a look at the second. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the second tether point. So all you have to do is lift up the little cover, take the tether point, go ahead and select and tether it there, pull it tight, and there you go. It is now secure. So there you go. That's how you're gonna go ahead and fasten your front-facing booster seat in the 2025 Legacy. If you have any additional questions or want to take this out for a test drive, come down and visit us at 720 River Road.